In this video, I want to run through the different service providers for email marketing that you have available to you as options.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Here's an article with 7 different email marketing providers, and there's pros and cons for all of them. Naturally, and they are Constant Contact, you may have heard of these, Aweber, ConvertKick, GetAResponse, and so on and so on. And this article gives you pros and cons of all of them. Naturally, I only use one of these because as a user, I just use one and that's good for me. And the one that I use is MailChimp. And I'll be able to tell you a little bit about MailChimp. MailChimp works well for me. The reason I like it for beginners is because if you look at the free account, it shows you that up to 2,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails a month is free. That's big. It's really big, and if you're just starting out with email marketing, this will last you for a long time. Now, the only thing it doesn't give you for free is these automation workflows, which is essentially the autoresponder. And to pay for the autoresponder, it's $10 a month, which is not a big price really. If you can afford it, I recommend getting this option with the autoresponder. It's just $10 a month, and honestly, for just $10 a month, it will take you forever to build up your list to 2,000 subscribers. And also, you can always purge. You can always tell who's not opening your emails, and you can just delete those people. So it's not even 2,000 subscribers. You can keep your list under 2,000 subscribers forever, because forever you can just purge your list of people who don't really respond to your emails or don't engage. You don't want those guys. So you can actually keep it forever free and have it forever just $10 a month for the autoresponder until you get a really big audience on your email list, and then it will grow. But then by that time you'll be making a lot of money from it, so it wouldn't matter. So all these tools, they give you good analytics, they give you a lot of options, they give you email templates, all that stuff is there. So this is really the main question, is like, what's the beginner starting point? What's a good place to start? And for MailChimp, this is a really good beginner point to get the $10 workflows access and the free option.